Welcome to this amazing view of Taal Volcano Island from Starbucks Hiraya. As we take in the panoramic scene, you'll notice the distinct beauty of Taal Volcano Island from the heart of the lake. The volcano, adorned with its lush vegetation, creates a breathtaking centerpiece against the horizon. The Starbucks Cafe provides an ideal setting to savor your favorite brew while immersing yourself in the natural splendor surrounding you. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a travel aficionado, or someone seeking a serene spot to unwind, this Starbucks location offers more than just exceptional coffee. It's an invitation to immerse yourself in the remarkable beauty of Taal Volcano Island while savoring the simple pleasures of life. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey at Starbucks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.